Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super quick video for you. It is all about installing and custom making your own gallery wall. Every time I show you guys a gallery wall or like a behind the scenes of Kelly and I installing one on IG, you always flood my DMs. You're always asking me how to pick the right frames, which ones to mat, which art frames to choose, the color story, how to piece it together, and of course in the end, how you even hang it on the wall. So today we're going to show you step by step on how to install a gallery wall and custom make it so that it suits your style and your needs. So the first thing you want to do is gather all your artwork. What I like to do is keep them either in the same color palette or the same theme or the same scheme. Today we'll be using my client's gallery wall's inspiration. Although Impressionist art isn't necessarily my style, I want to show you that you can make a beautifully cohesive gallery wall with just about any type of prints you choose. And it is going on this wall. The next step is to lay out all of your art prints and measure them one by one. This way you'll know which ones you want to mat and which ones you want to just frame as is. A designer's tip is that you don't have to custom make all of your frames. Any local craft store will carry a myriad of sizes in pre-made frames. For this project, we went to Michael's and had them custom make some larger frames to coordinate with some of our smaller ones for the gallery wall. We are currently at Michael's and getting all of this matted. I love this kind of white with a little bevel, and there's like a ton of different sizes. We're gonna go with all black and have a little bit of a variation between the thicknesses and the sizes. So this one is the one that's going to be in the master bedroom. For this final one, because the frame is so large, we can only get a 3-inch thick mat all the way around, which means some of this is going to get cut off. There's a little bit of a bevel. And typically when you have something of this size, the expanse of the frame can't hold a larger mat. Once you have all of your artwork framed, a good rule of thumb is to lay them out all on the floor. This way you can move them around, arrange it as you need, and make sure that the composition flows with what you're trying to achieve. I like to lay it out on the floor, mix and match it, and create almost a pattern with some of the matting and non-matted frames. One of the key tricks to a dynamic gallery wall is to have all of your orientation staggered about. I don't like to put vertical with vertical with vertical or landscape pictures right next to each other. I like to stagger them about so it doesn't look like a really tight formal grid, and it adds a lot of variety to the wall. When you're done laying it out on the floor and you're happy with what your composition looks like, always step back and take a picture so that you can imagine what it'll look like on the wall. A lot of the times your blind eye fools you, so the picture speaks 1,000 words. The next step is to install it on the wall. I like to start by hanging the largest piece first and then staggering the small ones and fanning them out. Once you're finished hanging all of the pieces on the wall, step back and take a look at it as a whole. A second pair of eyes always helps if you need any adjustments. One of the biggest pet peeves I have to gallery walls is once you hang them up, sometimes the bottom corners always shift about. A designer's trick I like to use is to secure the corners with double-sided mounting tape or double-stick Velcro. That will make sure that these babies don't go anywhere. Okay, and here is the finished look, guys. And there you have it, Gallery Wall 101 with all of my simple steps to achieve the gallery wall of your dreams. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions when it comes to installing your own gallery wall, and absolutely subscribe to my new channel. Thank you so much for watching.